Yes, Threads is running a fact-checking program, but the system isn't fully rolled out. Threads, Meta's Twitter-like service and competitor to X, may be distancing itself from politics, but that doesn't mean it won't try to tackle the misinformation that spreads across social media, particularly in the lead-up to national elections. Following user reports of fact-checks spotted on the network, the company confirmed it's engaged with fact-checking organizations to address false information circulating on Threads, but has not fully rolled out direct fact-checking of Threads content as of yet. Meta had announced in December that in early 2024 its fact-checking partners would be able to review and rate false content directly on Threads. In the meantime, Meta was only able to match existing fact-checks to near-identical content on Threads, it said. From the looks of the users' reports of fact-checking now appearing on Threads, it's a case of matched ratings, not the more anticipated direct fact-checking of Threads content that people are seeing. For more, subscribe US.